Come, let's explore the newest five-star property in Mumbai, Hotel Fairmont. Right opposite the international airport, this is an ideal location for people with short layovers in Mumbai. The lobby is not really huge or exceptional, but this particular wall is indeed very attractive. The public areas are clean and inviting. We were assigned the signature gold room on the ninth floor. My room number was 927. The room was very spacious with LED mirror on the dressing table, a comfy double bed, and curved sofa and study table too. The highlight of this room is that they have fans fitted in all rooms for guests who feel uncomfortable with non-stop air conditioning. An additional bed can be easily accommodated in this room, so a max of 3 adults and one child can comfortably stay here. As expected, there is a hot kettle, Nespresso machine, tea, coffee making assembles, everything's here. One usage of minibar is included in the room rate. It has some canned cold drinks and some snacks, nuts and crunchies to go with it. Everything in the room was sensor operated, even the curtains. Let me show you the view from our room. Airport gates and the runway views are truly engulfing for any person in awe of aviation. This is the walk-in closet with luggage area, locker, hanger, steam iron and slippers. Also, some fruits and some goodies were sent to us in our room for a warm welcome. Now let's have a look at the bathroom with all the high-class toiletries, shower cubicle and a bathtub. But where is the toilet? Confused? Don't bother. The very unique feature of this room was that they have a separate WC with a wash basin. So that was a detailed tour of my room. Now let me show you the public areas, beginning with this tiny town which is sure to make the little guest of this hotel feel really special and entertained. While the tiny tots are busy in there, the adults can have a relaxing time at this huge infinity pool. Their spa offers state-of-art therapies and massages. This is their well-equipped gym, perfect for all fitness enthusiasts. We had access to the Gold Club lounge where there were few snacks and cold drinks served throughout the day. However, during cocktail hours from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., they had a small buffet spread with soup, assorted breads, lots of veg and non-veg finger foods with some farsans, nachos and delicious sweets. And during this time, some alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages were also on the house. We spent really good time here. The check-in and check-out process was quite slow. I have had much better and smoother experiences at many other hotels. One major negative was the housekeeping here. I found them to be the slowest and many a times absolutely disinterested. Multiple calls had to be made to get simple things like getting water bottles or milk capsules refilled in the room. I will be ending this video here but will be making separate videos reviewing and showcasing their buffet dinner and breakfast. So do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to be intimated of my upcoming videos. Bye for now.